tutorial, we'll be going through Hootsuite. Basically, it's a social media management tool that allows someone to manage multiple social media sites using one platform. This is the all-in-one solution for managing your social media sites if you're into internet marketing or you just happen to be some personality who wants to make quick posts or schedule posts simultaneously using one platform. Then this is the tool for you. Today we'll be going through signing up with Hootsuite and getting you up and started with the basics. So basically, for signing up with Hootsuite, you have the option to use your accounts in either Twitter, Facebook, or Google, or you can go ahead and just create a whole new account from scratch. So for this tutorial, we'll be going through creating a new account. So to get started, it would ask us for our complete name, an email address, and of course your password. Now, the really nice thing with Hootsuite is it offers you a free or a basic package, and likewise offers premium packages with additional features for business and marketing owners. Now, initially, upon your initial account setup, it will ask you to set up your social media sites that you'd want to link with your Hootsuite platform. So it gives me the option to link Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google+. And as you can see here, upon initial creation of my account, I have linked my Twitter account. Can have the option of adding more social media sites by clicking on this icon over here. I can add social networks, so my options include Instagram, WordPress, LinkedIn, Google, and Facebook. And that's basically how you set up and open up a free basic account on Hootsuite to manage your social media sites easily. Thanks for watching. After going through our initial account creation of Hootsuite on a previous tutorial, now we will go through having to link your social media accounts. Basically, Hootsuite is a social media platform that allows you to manage multiple social media accounts through one platform, making it easier for you to schedule posts simultaneously and having them scheduled for automatic posting. So let's get started with linking your accounts. Basically, upon logging into your Hootsuite account, you'll be greeted through your home page, and to add an account or to add a social media site, simply click on the main menu icon or click on this icon over here with your name. It will give you the option to add a social media network right over here. Click on this one and it will give you the option to link several accounts here of Twitter, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, WordPress, and Instagram. So I already have my Twitter account linked by default. You can actually add multiple accounts as well. However, it will be depending on your subscription. You might need to upgrade to a premium package with minimal fees. So let's go ahead and link a Facebook account. So depending on your security settings, you might be asked to re-log in or enter in your password for security purposes. After logging in, Facebook will ask you for authorization to Hootsuite to take control of your social media site. So simply click on OK. Facebook is going to ask you if you would like Hootsuite to post to your Facebook profile and share posts. And likewise, it gives you the option to change on your privacy setting. And here we go. So right here, the really nice feature with Hootsuite is it allows you to post to your pages. So if you're the moderator of pages, and likewise for groups. So click on finished importing, and right over here, we can see that we now have Facebook and Twitter linked to our social media platform or through Hootsuite. And you can go ahead and add several other accounts you have. And basically that's how we can link or connect your account through Hootsuite for ease of management. Thank you for watching. Hi there. So basically, after creating a Hootsuite account and linking your social media accounts, the next step that we go through would be how to automate your posts and have them scheduled for ease of access. So after logging into Hootsuite, you'll be greeted by your main page right over here. And Hootsuite gives us access to a quick post bar right over here on the top. And as you can see, this window is composed of several parts. Right here on the left, we can see the linked accounts or accounts that are connected to Hootsuite. In this case, we have Facebook and Twitter right over here. And on the right part of the screen, we can see something that's fairly similar to the usual post windows for Facebook and other social media sites. It gives us space to compose or write a post, and likewise an option to add a link. It even gives you the option to shrink the link, gives us the option to attach an image or a file, add location, check on the targeting options, and select privacy. Let's go ahead and try to automate or try to go through posting simultaneously on both accounts, and let's try to check out on what our options are. I can just select Twitter if I want my posts to go through Twitter, or practically, if you're managing several social media sites, you would want to have a post for all of your social media sites at the same time or maybe at different intervals. So in this case, we'll go ahead and try to do simultaneous posting on both accounts. As you can see here for Facebook, we have 2,000 characters as a post limit, and for Twitter, the standard 140 characters limit. So let's say we came up with a post sort of like this. And as we can see here, we get to see a short preview of how the post would look like. If you're a social media marketer and needs to manage several social media sites for your clients, you'd probably want to use a tool that would automate or schedule posts depending on what time and terms of how the posts would want to go out into the social media sites. And Hootsuite has this capability. See right here, right beside attaching an image or a file, it gives us the option to schedule a post. Right here we see auto schedule. You have the option here to send you an email when the message has been sent or when the post has been sent out, and we can go ahead and schedule how the post would go out. So let's say today would be the 17th, and I'd want this post to go through on a certain day, go through on the 19th. And select a time, usually having it to be scheduled on the peak hours when users are your targeted audience and users are mostly online. So let's say lunch hours during weekdays, wherein people are usually logged in and through their mobile phones and checking out and fiddling with their social media sites. Basically, you'd want to catch their attention with your post during these hours. It's just an example though. So let's say on the 19th, I want this post to go out by 12 noon my time. I'll go ahead and have that automatically scheduled. And right over here for auto schedule, you can actually schedule 1 to 10 messages per day between a said time frame. You may also select the days when you want your messages to be scheduled on. So if I want a recurring schedule around 12 noon, I can simply select that out. And within the 1 hour period, auto schedule is supposed to send out 5 messages during these days, Mondays to Saturdays. And you can go ahead and save those settings. And basically what's going to happen is this post is scheduled to go out by 12 noon from Mondays to Saturdays. So that's going to be tomorrow. And likewise, you can just go ahead and have it scheduled for a single post on a specific time within a specific time period. And basically that's how we go about scheduling or automating your posts with Hootsuite. Thanks for watching.